Today our topic is matrices, solution of system of linear equation by Gauss-Jordan method. Objectives: know the Gauss-Jordan method. Solve the system of linear equations by Gauss-Jordan method. This is a very important method. Recap. What are the elementary row operations? Interchanging of two rows, multiplying the elements of any row by non-zero scalar, adding to or subtracting from the elements of one row the corresponding elements of any other row multiplied by a non-zero scalar. Now we go to the Gauss-Jordan method for solving a system of linear equations. Consider the equations a1x b1y plus c1z equal d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. It can be written in the matrix form as a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, xyz equal d1 d2 d3. That is ax equal to b, where capital A equal a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3, and x equal xyz and b equal d1 d2 d3. Then the matrix AB equal, we have to write a1 b1 c1 d1, a2 b2 c2 d2, a3 b3 c3 d3. You have to observe this format. The format is a different comparing the both methods. Then this type of matrix is called augmented matrix. By using elementary row operations, we obtain the equivalent matrix in the form 1 0 0 alpha, 0 1 0 beta and 0 0 1 gamma. Then x equal alpha, y equal beta and z equal gamma. You observe here, alpha, beta, gamma are the solutions, will be the solution of the given system of equations. Now we go to the working method for Gauss-Jordan method. In this one, the first step, from the augmented matrix we have to write. Make the pivot first element of the first row as 1 using elementary row operating R1, KR1 or Ri interchanging Rj if there is other row having 1 as first element. Now use the elementary row operations Ri minus m, Ri minus mr1 for I equal to 3 to make the first elements of the second and third row as zeros. Then the augmented matrix will be transformed into the form. You observe here 1 a12 13k, 0 a22 a23 n, 0 a32 a33 n. Number 4. Use the elementary row operations. R2 gives 1 by a2 R2 or any other row operation involving R1, R2 and R3. Don't use R1 to make the second row and second column element as 1. Number 5. Use the elementary row operations. Ri gives Ri minus KR2 for I equal 1, 3 to make the second element of row 1 and row 3 as zeros. Then the augmented matrix will be of the form, we get 1 0 a1 3 k1, a1 0 1 a2 3 k2, 0 0 a3 3 k3. Use the elementary row operations. R3 gives 1 by a33 R3 to make the third element of the row 3 as 1. Number 8. Use the elementary row operations. Ri gives Ri minus KR3 for I equal 1, 2 to make the third elements of row 1 and row 2 as zeros. Finally, the augmented matrix will be transformed to the form, that is 1 0 0 alpha, 0 1 0 beta, 0 0 1 gamma, which implies x equal to alpha, y equal to beta and z equal to gamma. Note, never use column operation in Gauss-Jordan method. This is a very important note. You observe here in Gauss-Jordan method only the apply row operations. Now we go to the problems. Solve the equation 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, x plus y plus z equal 6, x minus y plus z equal to 2 by using Gauss-Jordan method. You apply here after completing the augmented matrix. You write R1 interchange R2, we get 1 1 1 6 and 2 minus 1 3 9 1 minus 1 1 2. Applying R2 gives R2 minus 2R1 and R3 gives R3 minus R1 is equivalent to 1 1 1 6 0 minus 3 1 minus 3 0 minus 2 0 minus 4. You apply here row operation. R2 gives R2 minus 2R1, R3 gives R3 minus R1 only. Next we are applying R1 interchanging minus 1 by 3 R2. So that equivalent to 1 1 6 2 1 minus 1 by 3 1 and 1 minus 2 0 4. Now again applying R1 gives R1 minus R2 and R3 gives R3 plus 2 R2. We get 1 0 4 by 3 5 0 1 minus 1 by 3 1 0 0 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. Applying R2 gives minus 3 by 2 R2, we get 1 0 4 by 3 5 0 1 minus 1 by 3 1 0 0 1 3. Applying R1 gives R1 minus 4 by 3 R3 and R2 gives R2 plus 1 by 3 R3. We get 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 2 0 0 1 3. We observe here we get in the format of 1 0 0 alpha 0 1 0 beta 0 0 1 gamma. Therefore, by Gauss-Jordan method, then the solution is given by x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. Solve the equation. The second problem we have to take x minus 2 y minus z equal minus 1, x minus y minus z equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5. We have to write the augmented matrix is 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. So that we have to take the coefficient of the equations and also write the constant value. That is equal 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 2 3 2 5. The same way we have to applying R2 gives R2 minus R1 and R3 gives R3 minus 2 R1 and equivalent to 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 0 1 0 7 4 7. And again we apply R1 gives R1 plus 2 R2 and R3 gives R3 minus 7 R2. We get 1 0 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 4 0. Applying R3 gives 1 by 4 R3. We get 1 0 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 and finally applying R1 gives R1 plus R3. We get 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Therefore the solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 and z equal to 0. The simultaneously we have to apply the same procedure of problem 3. First you write the augmented matrix and do the row operation applying R2 gives R2 minus R1 or anything, R3 gives R3 minus 2 R1 and applying R2 minus R2 gives minus 1 by 2 R2. The final we have to get by using the row operation, we have to equivalent 1 0 0 alpha 0 1 0 beta 0 0 1 gamma. Here we get the result is x equal to 1 and y equal to and z equal to 3. Now we go to the same number 4th problem also same we write the augmented matrix and using the row operations and same using the different row operation and equivalent to 1 0 0 and alpha 0 0 0 1 0 beta and 0 0 1 gamma. Here we get The final result is 1 1 1. Therefore the solution is x equal 1, y equal 1 and z equal to 1. The same fifth problem also same as it is. We have to following the augmented matrix and row operation and equivalent to 1 0 0 alpha 0 1 0 beta 0 0 1 gamma. The sixth one also same method, and we get the result is here also using the same row operation. Don't apply the column operation, and we get the solution is x equal -2 and y equal 5 and z equal to -3. Note: matrix inversion method is not applicable when determinant of A equal to 0 and tradition when A contains many rows and many columns. Second one, in such cases, Gauss-Jordan method is useful to solve the system of linear equations. Summary: we have discussed about Gauss-Jordan method for solving the system of linear equations. Quiz: in Gauss-Jordan method, the matrix formed with the coefficient of x, y, z and the constant on the right side of the given linear equation is called what? Augmented matrix, coefficient matrix, cofactor matrix, none of the above. Augmented matrix is to be reduced in the form of 1 0 0 alpha 0 1 0 beta and 0 0 1 gamma by applying which type of elementary operations? Elementary row operations only. Elementary row operations only. Elementary column operations only. Both elementary row and column operation, none of the above. Here what is the answer? Elementary row operations only. Assignment: solve the equation 2x plus 3y equal 13 and 5x minus 4y equal to -2 by Gauss-Jordan method. By Gauss-Jordan method. Okay. Here also the same applicable. You have to write in augmented matrix and equivalent to 1 0. Here the 2 by 1 0 0 alpha 0 1 0 beta 0 0 1 gamma. Then find out the alpha, beta, gamma. That is the required solution of the given equations. Thank you very much.